And under the next 5 minutes, I will give you the exact blueprint on how you can change your health and energy entirely so you can do whatever you want in life. And why should you listen to me? Because this is me 1.5 years ago. Pretty overweight, pretty unhealthy, and couldn't really do all of the things you wanted to do because I just wasn't able to physically. So, 6 months later, this is me. Lost a lot of weight, and because of this, I am able to play elite high level basketball. I have a business that I run, and I'm also a full time student. Just to show you that it's definitely possible in a very short amount of time, and I have energy for all of this. I have energy to keep up with homework, practice, games, whatever, everything basketball related, and I can still show up every single day and take care of my business. So it is definitely possible, and it's really, really simple. It's only 3 small steps. So these are the only 3 things you need to do. Again, I'll do this in under 5 minutes. First of all, you need to sleep better. Consistency beats perfection because sleep is Mother Nature's closest attempt yet at immortality. This is from a TED talk, I forgot the speaker, but sleep is essentially what allows you to live a long and healthy life. If you have shit sleep, you will eventually also have shit health. And of course, your sleep also determines your energy. We all know if you don't sleep for a night, you're going to be completely drained. And if you sleep, the sufficient amount, you are going to be so energized and just going to have energy for every single thing you want to do throughout the entire day. Do this on a weekly, monthly basis every single day. You are going to see great results. And it's really, really simple. Just go to sleep at the same time every day, wake up at the same time every day, and try to sleep in a cold and dark environment with no light. That's it. That is the most simple things you need to take care of. And if you want an in-depth course on how you can do all of this for yourself, then I have a free course in my community in the link in the description. So just check that out. Next thing you need to do is you need to eat better. You need to eat for energy and get enough macros, because what most founders are doing, they are simply not eating enough, and all of your fuel sources are caffeine or candy or sugar. That's it. You need to make sure that you have enough calories, protein, carbs, and fat to run around on a daily basis so your brain doesn't start to almost completely eat itself. You need to make sure that your body and your mind has the energy it needs to perform at the high level you want it to, because you are really, really demanding and your body wants to live up to that, but it can't if you keep neglecting it. So eat better, make sure you get enough macros. And lastly, you need to move better. And you have your body for a reason. Use it. That's the best way to put it. You don't have your body to sit in front of a computer 8 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's not what you have it for. Use it. The more you move up until a certain point, of course, you will start to feel so much more energized. Just if you're currently only walking, let's say 3,000 steps a day, and you ramp it up to 7,000, you are going to feel a tremendous increase in your energy, and you will also notice that your hunger will completely diminish, because walking regulates hunger because it's a low energy activity. And that's it. It's really simple and it's really simplified. But if you want an in-depth course on how you can utilize all of this into your own life, then I have a free course through my free community in the link in the description. So check that out. That's it for this time, my amazing friend. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and stay safe.